Stories have power, they transport us, they make us feel, they help us understand the world, and ourselves. Everyone has stories inside them, waiting to be told. Writing a novel is a journey. It's exciting, it's challenging, and it's ultimately rewarding. Don't be afraid. Embrace the unknown. Let your imagination soar. Create worlds. Build characters. Tell your story. Your voice deserves to be heard. Every novel starts with an idea, a spark, a what-if question. This is the seed of your story. Nurture it. Let it grow. Your idea doesn't have to be grand. It needs to excite you. It needs to make you curious. It needs to keep you writing. Think about genres you love. Think about themes that resonate. Think about characters who intrigue you. Characters breathe life into your novel. Make them real. Make them flawed. Make them relatable. Give your characters goals. Give them motivations. Give them secrets. Give them a past. Give them a future. Think about how your characters interact. Think about their relationships. Think about their conflicts. Plot is the backbone of your novel. It's the sequence of events. It's the journey your characters take. Start with a strong beginning. Introduce your characters. Establish the setting. Hook the reader. Build tension and suspense. Create obstacles for your characters. Raise the stakes. Lead to a satisfying climax. Resolve conflicts. Tie up loose ends. Leave a lasting impression. Section 5. The blueprint, outlining your novel. An outline is a roadmap for your novel. It helps you stay on track, and it helps you organize your thoughts. You don't need a detailed outline, just jot down key events, create character sketches, brainstorm ideas, and experiment with different outlining methods. Find what works best for you. There's no right or wrong way. Section 6. Battling the blank page. Writer's block happens to everyone. Don't let it paralyze you. Keep writing even if it's just a sentence. Take breaks. Go for a walk. Read a book. Watch a movie. Let your subconscious work its magic. Join a writing group. Find a writing buddy. Share your work. Get feedback. Support each other. Section 7. The art of rewriting. Writing is rewriting. Don't be afraid to revise. Don't be afraid to edit. Don't be afraid to cut. Read your work with fresh eyes. Ask for feedback from trusted readers. Be open to suggestions. Focus on clarity, pacing, and flow. Show, don't tell. Use strong verbs. Cut unnecessary words. Section 8. Finding your voice. Your voice is unique. It's what makes your writing special. Don't try to imitate others. Be yourself. Read widely. Explore different genres. Experiment with different styles. Find your own rhythm. Trust your instincts. Write what you're passionate about. Write what scares you. Write what matters. Section 9. Embracing the journey. Writing a novel is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, be persistent, enjoy the process, celebrate your successes, learn from your mistakes. Don't give up on your dreams. The world needs your stories. Share them. Inspire others. Leave your mark.